Caloundra manual and low-force chiropractic adjustments for chronic pain, update. Wellsure Chiropractic in Caloundra, Queensland, has announced updates to its range of manual and low-force chiropractic treatments. Wellsure Chiropractic's manual and low-force chiropractic treatments are designed to help patients manage and overcome their chronic pain, regain their range of motion, and start living happier and healthier lives. Wellsure Chiropractic recommends their manual and low-force therapies to those with neck pain, sciatica, low back pain, cervicogenic headaches, postural problems, joint stiffness, muscle soreness, and work or sports injuries. Due to the interconnectivity of the brain, nerves, and spinal cord, these chiropractic therapies can also be used in treating depression, anxiety, attention deficit disorder, and stress. Manual chiropractic techniques, or adjustments done by hand, that use controlled, sudden force to induce a cracking or popping sound, have grown in popularity in recent years. Wellsure Chiropractic employs a range of manual chiropractic techniques, but the two they use most frequently are the Gonstead and the diversified. The Gonstead technique involves precise adjustments to the spine using detailed biomechanical analysis to restore proper alignment and function, explained a spokesperson for the practice. The diversified technique, on the other hand, relies on high-velocity, low-amplitude thrusts to improve joint function and alignment. Both methods are effective ways of addressing chiropractic concerns. Gentle and low-force chiropractic techniques, on the other hand, utilize less force than manual techniques and often involve specialized instruments. Wellsure Chiropractic uses the sacro-occipital technique, or SOT, the neuro-emotional technique, or NOT, the neuro-impulse technique, the activator method, and terminal point therapy, or TPT. Though most patients report improvements in their pain levels and range of motion after just one adjustment, Wellsure Chiropractic recommends coming in for multiple sessions for best results. This also allows them to perform comparative exams and provide detailed progress reports. Their skilled staff ensures each visit is comfortable and relaxing, leaving patients feeling healthier and more aligned. Wellsure Chiropractic is renowned for providing immediate relief and is highly recommended for those seeking professional chiropractic care. For chiropractic care in Caloundra, go to wellsure.com.au for more information.